It was a sunny Saturday morning at Sunny Shores Park, and the beach was alive with laughter, sandcastles, and the smell of salty ocean air. Eliana, wearing her bright pink sneakers and a sporty headband, bounced excitedly on her toes. Her best friend, Oliver, in his blue shorts and green cap, was practicing a serve with his older brother's volleyball. "Are you ready to play the most epic game ever?" Eliana asked, her eyes sparkling. "You bet," Oliver grinned. "But remember, we're beginners. We need to learn some tips if we want to win." Just then, a friendly coach named Coach Rivera walked over, smiling. "I see some future volleyball stars here." Eliana's eyes widened. "Volleyball stars, really?" Coach Rivera nodded. "Absolutely. Volleyball is all about teamwork, focus, and fun. Let me show you some tips to be successful. Tip number 1, keep your eyes on the ball." Coach tossed the ball lightly to Eliana. "Track it with your eyes and move your body to meet it." Eliana jumped and hit the ball perfectly back to Oliver. "Wow, that feels amazing," she cheered. Tip number 2, communicate with your team. Coach Rivera smiled. "Always tell your teammate what you're doing. Say, 'I got it,' or 'mine.' It avoids confusion and helps your team succeed." Oliver nodded. "I'll call for the ball," he said, sprinting to make the next play. Tip number 3, position yourself smartly. Coach pointed to the court. "Spread out and cover different areas. Don't all go for the same ball." Eliana laughed. "So I'm the front hitter and Oliver is the back defender." "Exactly," Coach said. After a quick warm-up, it was time for the mini beach volleyball tournament. Eliana and Oliver teamed up against another pair of kids, Sasha and Eli. The whistle blew. Eliana served. The ball flew high into the sun. Oliver jumped and bumped it perfectly toward Eliana. "Nice pass," she shouted. The game was fast and exciting. Balls flew over the net, sand kicked up around their feet, and laughter filled the air. Eliana remembered Coach Rivera's tips: eyes on the ball, communicate, stay in position. She dove for a tricky ball, spiking it over the net. The other team tried to block, but it hit the sand. "Point for us," Oliver shouted, pumping his fists. By the final round, both teams were laughing and cheering. Sweat ran down their faces, but their spirits were high. "Remember," Eliana whispered to Oliver, "it's not just about winning. It's about playing together and having fun." Oliver nodded. "Let's give it our best spike." They passed, set, and spiked with all their energy. The ball flew over the net like a shooting star, landing in the sand on the other side. The crowd of friends and family erupted in cheers. Win or lose, Eliana and Oliver felt like champions because they had played as a team, encouraged each other, and never gave up. Tips from Eliana and Oliver: eyes on the ball. Always watch where the ball is going. Communicate. Talk to your teammates to avoid confusion. Stay in position. Cover your area of the court. Practice your skills. Serve, bump, set, and spike often. Have fun. The best games are filled with laughter and teamwork. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.